Welcome back to my channel. It's Ambersharniece, and in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I am just going to show you guys how I throw on my wig real quick when I want to wear it for a couple days, you know what I'm saying? I'm also going to show you how to correct over bleached knots as well. And yeah, as you guys can see, it's pretty much how my hair came out. All the details and the specs about the hair will be listed across the screen as well as in the description box below. So if you're interested in this hair, then you can definitely get into the look, honey, okay? Like, comment, and subscribe on this video here on my channel, okay? If you have not seen some of my latest uploads here, and here, you should definitely go ahead and check those out. I'll link them down in the description box below as well as in the cards above, so definitely check those out. Let's get right on into the video. So I went ahead and cut the sides of my lace as well as I put my powder down to match my skin tone, and I actually sprayed it down with some holding spray just to keep the color in place and try to help it not transfer as much. Now I'm just gonna fix the back of the wig where I can make sure it's tight as possible, and we can get started. So I'm just gonna slide it on. So I have the hair on now. As y'all can probably see already, this hair is beyond over bleached. Definitely an accident. I practically forgot about it, but I'm gonna try to correct that using just some mascara. I know it's not usually the best thing to use, but I gotta do what I gotta do, right? I'm just gonna spray her down with some Got To Be. Now, one thing about this lace that I realized is that it's like really hard. It's very stiff. It's not really easily manipulative. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I can't work with it that easily. I'm just gonna speed the process up using my Irresistible Diamond blow dryer. Y'all know I love this blow dryer. I should have a coupon code in the description box below, so if it's not expired, but check it. And of course, you always want to dry on cool. I'm just gonna check and see if I'm dry yet. Real quick, while I have the lace still on, I'm gonna try to pull this out real quick. This helps me grip it better. Just gonna take my eyebrow archer and get to cutting. Hopefully y'all can still see. So you can probably see like my my edges, but I'm gonna try to use that to my advantage and kind of like do the baby hairs in the same way that it's going. But before I get to that, I do want to kind of like lay it down once more. Alright, so I'm going to use my mascara and kind of like just go in. It may not be the best method, but it's quick and it works. I know they have like root like mascara. I mean, it's probably called root dye, but they have it on little wands like this too, so those could be useful, I'm sure. So I think like after the mascara dries, it kind of gets like dull and sticky. So that may be a problem for some people, but for me, I don't really care. And I'm not sure if y'all can see, but it kind of like stiffened that area up a little bit, which for some people, like I said, it may bother them, but for me, I don't care. As long as I can get my baby hairs to lay right, I should be okay. All right, and so I'm gonna go ahead and try to just cover the lace in any areas that may look a little different than my skin tone before I start laying the baby hairs, because it's kind of hard to do it after. Sorry y'all, camera cut off. Don't know exactly where it cut off, but hopefully it didn't cut off a lot, because I'm trying to do the little baby hairs, and these be my little struggles right here. All right, I don't necessarily want to take my foam because it's gonna lift my lace, because I use that got to be. Let me get these hairs laid. And that's just like a little edge stick, like a little wax stick. That should be good. I really want to use my edge control to put my edges down, but I don't have my edge brush, so I know that my edges aren't going to lay the correct way, and this is going to make it much more noticeable. Let me try it a little bit and see what happens. Where is my edge brush? Y'all, I need my edge brush. I'll use my baby's. Yeah, it looks all crack right now. I'm just going to spray it. Can we actually spray and not do that? Whatever that is. Because it has like a beautiful natural wave to it. So I'm gonna just rock those for real. Alright guys, that pretty much concludes the video. Go ahead and like this video. Leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down in the comment section below, honey, so we can chat it up down there. If you have any questions about how I apply my wig, I'll be more than happy to answer them down below, okay? And subscribe to my channel, please. And I hope y'all have a good one. Mwah. Peace. Got it.